Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. Thanks for joining me. In this video, you will learn how to make an organizational system out of Dollar Tree photo frames and other Dollar Tree supplies. And the good news is this is part 2 of a 5-part series making use of those inexpensive Dollar Tree photo frames in surprisingly new ways. Now, if you missed part 1, I'll have that linked in the description box below, so let's go ahead and get started. The Dollar Tree supplies included to make this project are 3 pieces of wood measuring 7 inches by 3.5 inches by 3/8 inches thick, and 2 1x2s measuring 12 inches each, along with 3 of these adorable little clipboard photo frames. Along with the Dollar Tree supplies, you'll need a paint of your choice. I'm using this white Anita's acrylic paint. You'll need 2 sawtooth hangers, a ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be using this black and white grosgrain ribbon from Hobby Lobby. You'll need some wood glue. I'm going to be using this Gorilla Glue. And finally, you'll need 3 little coat hooks. To begin the project, I'm taking my 1x2s and the 3 pieces of wood, and I will glue them together, sort of in a palette style, as you'll see. Okay, great. Now my wood glue is dried. Now I'm going to be having a black and white theme and gray on mine, so I'm going to paint the base white. And after the paint dried, I securely attached 2 of my sawtooth hangers. Now that my sawtooth hangers are attached, I start actually prepping the little clipboard photo frames for the next process. I start by removing their little bows, and I remove their little kickstands from the back. Once that's done, I attach each photo frame with some hot glue. Once they're securely attached, I just add my little ribbon bows to the top of the little clipboards. Hey, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you as my crafting friend. Oh, I think these little clipboard photo frames are so adorable. Now that we have those attached, we'll move on to our hooks. I start by positioning the hooks where I want them to be. Then I mark where the screws will go with a pencil. Once that's done, I will pre-drill each pencil mark. The pre-drilling is optional. They will go into the wood without pre-drilling the holes. You just have to be careful and screw the screws in very, very slowly. Now that the hooks are attached, we're ready to personalize this project. The great thing about the personalization is it can be temporary, so you can change it out with photos. You can use initials as I'm doing here. And since I'm going to be using mine for a key holder and a leash holder, I have a little Labrador for my leash, and then I have initials for my husband and I to hang our keys by. I also think this would be great in a larger size and used for like towels, or maybe something, if you have a large family, you could have each person hang their coat there or their gloves, or something just to keep things organized. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends. Don't forget to subscribe.